Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's find and tap on the display and click on wallpaper. As you can see here, you can choose a wallpaper from your photos or wallpapers. Let me pick the default wallpapers. And here, as you can see, we've got the list of defaultly installed wallpapers, from which we can choose from. You can of course tap on my photos and you will be able to choose something from your own gallery, but let me pick something from the default ones. For example, maybe this one. If you are ready, click on Set Wallpaper. Here you can decide where you want to set it. You can set it on your home screen, lock screen, or both. Let me pick, for example, both. Let's get back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been successfully changed. So that's all. This is how to change wallpaper in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.